Hi, I'm BJ Randall with New Age Industrial. Today I'm going to talk to you about beverage delivery, but first I want to tell you a little bit about how it's done. At New Age Industrial, we're an extruder and a fabricator. We start with primary grade raw aluminum billet, heat it up, press it, and we shoot all the shapes that you see that go into making these wonderful carts. Between our team of engineers and all of our fantastic staff in the factory, we can create products that are specific to your needs, so don't hesitate to ask for something to fit what you need. Now on to our bulk delivery truck. The bulk delivery truck is perfect for convenience store and grocery store deliveries using a lift gate truck. It has a 5-to-1 capacity over a standard hand truck. The bulk delivery truck has a center pivoting caster that makes it perfect for navigating those narrow spaces in the store. BDT has an optional brake that will hold your cart in place when you're loading, unloading, or when you're parked on an uneven surface. Unlock it, and you're ready to go again. When the driver's done servicing the account, the cart folds into a less than 2 square foot space. It is then stored on end in the back of the truck and strapped out of the way. Our engineers in New Age Industrial have put a lot of time and effort into creating a wonderful cart here that's heavy duty beyond anything that anybody else is doing. We start with a frame integrated tongue and groove deck. It creates one solid sheet instead of having a piece of sheet metal wrapped over the top that warps and breaks over time. Next is a heavy gauge socket that will never break or bend. We also have a replaceable sleeve made out of PVC that allows it to slide nice and easily inside of that socket. And the last thing I want to show you that our engineers came up with, so we created an extrusion. It's a rounded I-beam that runs 24 inches up through that heat affected zone. As you can see here, you're not going to break this. Lastly, for a complete beverage delivery solution, add our optional keg carriers. We have a half barrel keg carrier, can hold up to 6 kegs, half barrel kegs. And then we have our 6th barrel keg carrier that you can stack in a pyramid for up to 15 kegs in one trip. Again, I'm BJ with New Age Industrial. Visit us online at newageindustrial.com or email us at sales@newageindustrial.com. Thank you.